Good day, I'm Han Arroyo of Club Royal Team. I'm your team coach and I'm here to discuss about the step-by-steps guidelines for you as a starter in Royal. As a beginner of Royal, in Club Royal Team, we have made these 12 guidelines for you to follow. These guidelines will help you to know what to do step by step in doing the Royal business. Since you started in Royal today, since you become a member, there are things that you don't know about Royal. Maybe you have some inclination about the business, but doing it, you don't know what to do, which things to do first and which thing to do the last. So in Club Royal, we have made these 12 guidelines for you to follow, or easy for you to follow. By doing these guidelines, this will propel your work easy, manageable, and time-saving. So, ang mga bagay na to po ay ginawa po ng Club Royal Team para alam po natin kung ano ang gagawin po natin. Sabi nga sa Royal, Royal is a copy-paste business. So, kailan mo lang kopyahin itong guidelines po namin at sundin nyo po ito at sigurado po kami na pag sinunod nyo itong 12 guidelines for beginners, maganda po ang kalalagyan nyo sa Royal at maganda ang patutunguhan nyo sa Royal. Lalo na sa pagsisimula ng negosyong Royal. So, handa ka na po ba? Handa ka na? Handa ka na po bang malaman ang 12 guidelines ng Club Royal Team? This is what we call the Club Royal Beginners Module. Heto na po.